Ah, the sea.
Aye, the sea.
Makes you glad to be alive.
Feel that salty spray.
The sunlight sparkling off the bay.
Okay, we can turn it on.
Hey girl, you know it's true. I'm down to my last tear. Only Jah can stop the tears. Pray to our God, Jah in the morning, dog food for lunch. Back in the cell yard, we feel heavy the crunch. Makes me sing now. You think you're reggae, now rock and roll and say now. I know it's wrong in rock and roll. It's J.A. country rock and roll. J.A. country roll. You know your president, Jimmy Carter, is doing a good thing. He wants to legalize it. Set the herb man free. You know your herb makes you a criminal. No matter who you are, no matter who you want to be. Eyesight, Israelites. Back in the USA, deportation time. Lord, no robot, slim, too slick to feel nothing. He gets sick on a dime. Lord, he know he's singing past to us sometime now. But he been down there in the jail. They keep him 11 days. They put him with some murdering Rastafarian. But Lord knows they didn't murder no one. They been waiting about 100 days for their trial. They live on callaloo and rice. They don't eat no chicken chassis. Let me tell you what the food in the jail was like. That chicken chassis one night, which is the bones of the chicken, the chassis of the chicken. Lord, it was a good dish for a chicken. Chicken chassis. Give me a little heartburn.
Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take ya. Bermuda, Bahama, come on, pretty mama. Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go? Jamaica, off the Florida Keys. There's a place called Kokomo. That's where you wanna go to get away from it all. Bodies in the sand, tropical drink melting in your hand. We'll be falling in love to the rhythm of a steel drum band. Down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? You can play it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We gotta go. Martinique, that Montserrat mystique. We'll put out to sea, and we'll perfect our chemistry. And by and by we'll defy a little bit of gravity. Afternoon delight, cocktails and moonlit nights. That dreamy look in your eye, give me a tropical contact high. Way down in Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take it to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? You can play it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We gotta go. Oh, Prince, I wanna catch a glimpse. Everybody knows a little place like Kokomo. Now if you wanna go and get away from the law, go down to Kokomo, Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby, why don't we go down to Kokomo? You can play it fast and then we'll take it slow. That's where we wanna go. We gotta go. Aruba, Jamaica, ooh, I wanna take you to Bermuda, Bahama. Come on, pretty mama, Key Largo, Montego, baby.
A toast to my sailing friends on the West Coast. A fine bottle of wine.
Oh yeah. 1962, Orange Street, Kingston, Jamaica. I sang my song for Leslie Kong. He said, let's go record it in the style of ska. So we did the tracking to the Beverly's All-Star backing. Oh, reggae music gonna make me feel good. Reggae music gonna make me feel alright now. Reggae music gonna make me feel good. Reggae music making me feel alright now. Reggae music gonna make me feel alright now. Reggae music making me feel good. Reggae music making me feel alright now. 1966, there was a new consciousness of civil rights, Vietnam War, and independence from British colonialists. Rocksteady music was expressing all of this. From dynamic sounds with alternators can boot telling the truth. Reggae music gonna make me feel good. Reggae music gonna make me feel alright now. Reggae music gonna make me feel good. Reggae music making me feel alright. reggae music making me feel alright now. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. 1971, a new era begun. With the holiday come showing where reggae music came from. There was Winston Wright, Jackie Jackson, Hux Brown, and Winston Grennan. Now reggae music is worldwide.
From the personal log of Guybrush Threepwood. Sometimes when it's quiet, I can still hear the monkeys. It's hard to believe that it's only been a few years since I first washed up on the beaches of Malay Island, armed with nothing more than a goofy name and an overpowering urge to become a swashbuckling pirate. I want to be a pirate.